Though the Central Board of Direct Taxes has the power to frame policies and implement that, their powers vary from issuing direct instructions as per section 119 of the Income Tax Act to the tax officials, grant relief, frame policies for the modernization of the scheme, proper administration, proper supervision of tax authorities. So this will ensure smooth and fair tax administration in our country. So let us look into the powers of Central Board of Direct Taxes one by one. First one is the CBDT has the power to issue direct instructions as per section 119 of the Income Tax Act 1961 to its officials. See, the officials, whatever the directions of the CBDT they are following, an assessing officer cannot take an independent decision. He has to work within the guidelines issued by CBDT in all the matters. This is right from the top officials to the lower level officials. Second power is to grant relief in exceptional cases. We know that when when our country was affected with COVID, the CBDT has extended the date for filing the tax returns. In case of natural calamities, if a person is hospitalized, health condition, see, conditions beyond the or situations beyond the control of the taxpayer, then CBDT can give some relaxation, maybe for filing returns or whatever exceptional cases they can decide. Instead of penalizing the taxpayer, they will decide this. So that is the second power. Third is to implement Income Tax Rules 1962. This CBDT has the power to issue how the assessment has to be done, how the valuation has to be done, how the TDS has to be done, how the compliance, various forms, all this they can issue in rules 19 Income Tax Rules 1962 will include all this. So that is the third power of the CBDT. Fourth is they have the control over income tax authorities right from the top level to the bottom level. They will see that this whatever the directions of the CBDT they are carried out in an efficient and a trustworthy manner. So they will be transparent, efficient. They are using modern schemes to implement that with proper, without avoiding corruption. They are doing that with proper records, proper scrutiny, all that to improve this will improve the trustworthiness of the taxpayers and it will become more customer friendly. Then the last power is to approve the schemes, whatever modern schemes they are approving. We have now e-filing is there, digital transactions, digital faceless appeal, faceless grievance handling, the e-filing of complaints, or all this, whatever modern schemes they are approving, that is the CBDT has the power to implement that. Say for example, if CBDT is coming out with a new digital form of scrutiny for income tax returns, what will be the role of CBDT in implementing this? So first they will see that scheme and they will decide that they are going to implement that. Then they will study that and implement for the country. Then they will issue standing instructions to income tax authorities as per section 119. Then they will train the officials and they will properly scrutinize that it's implemented properly. Then they have the power also to grant relief in certain cases. So right from policy making, they have the power to implement certain things, especially in time of by issuing binding orders, binding instructions to the tax authorities as per section 119, grant relief, Income Tax Rules 1962, approve the modernization of the schemes and complete control over the income tax authorities right from top officials to bottom level officials for a better, efficient and smooth functioning of the direct tax administration in our country.